Hello guys, good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel The Knowledge Park. And today just we are going to discuss regarding the incomplete part of the present tense, and in that one the present perfect continuous. The examples already I have written over here. So what the changes are required in this? The examples of the present perfect continuous. Now after using the singular pronoun and after using the plural pronoun, what the changes are required, just we have to understand. And this is the very easy and very simple way of making you understand that the present perfect continuous tense and how we have to speak in the present perfect continuous tense. Now that I am going to just say the examples of the present perfect continuous tense, in that one, he, she, it, these are the third persons, and before the third persons what the changes are required in present perfect continuous tense, and as well as the another plural pronouns. For example, we must be there, you may be there, they may be there, whatsoever it is. Now what it will be there? He has been teaching. He has been teaching. This is the example of present perfect continuous. How he has been teaching, वो बहुत देर से पढ़ा रहा है. She has been teaching, वो बहुत देर. She has been working, वो बहुत देर से काम कर रही है. It has been shining, वो बहुत देर से चमक रहा है. That has been losing, वो बहुत देर से लूज कर रहा है. I have been seeing, मैं बहुत देर से देख रहा हूं. We have been walking, हम बहुत देर से चल रहे हैं. You have been eating, आप बहुत देर से खा रहे हैं. खत्म ही नहीं कर रहे. खाना खाने की जो बात है ना, बहुत देर से चल रही है. बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं सिर्फ खाने के ऊपर इंटरेस्ट देते हैं, बस सुबह से लेकर शाम तक खाते जाओ. ऐसे भी कुछ लोग होते हैं भाई. ठीक उसी तरह we have been walking, you have been eating. You have been eating, आप बहुत देर से खाना खा रहे हैं. खाना बंद करने का बात ही नहीं है, सिर्फ खाते ही जा रहे हैं. They have been looking, वो बहुत देर से देख रहे हैं. Now just I am giving one more key over here regarding the examples of present perfect continuous, that all the singular nouns apart from I, either he is there, she is there, it is there. What we have to do in present perfect continuous? Has been plus ing to the main verb, and many more. What we have to do? We have to add ing, we have to add to the main verb. Before that, has must be taken and been must be taken. To the just ing to the main verb, has been soon after writing the singular pronoun, whatsoever it is, he, she, it. How? He has been eating, she has been eating, it has been eating. In the same way, in plural pronouns or in plural nouns, what we have to do? We have been looking, you have been looking, they have been looking, these have been looking, those have been looking. So what it is? Whenever there is a singular noun, then has been plus ing to the verb, and whenever there is a plural pronoun, have been plus ing to the verb. These two keys we have to keep in your mind. How? I have been going, you have been going, they have been going, you have been going, he has been going, she has been going, it has been going, that has been going. So these are the examples of present perfect continuous. Present must be there, perfect must be there, continuous must be there. He has is going to express the meaning of present, been is going to express the meaning of perfect, and teaching is going to express the meaning of continuous. So he has been teaching, she has been working, it has been shining, that has been losing, I have been seeing, we have been walking, you have been eating, they have been looking. Apart from that, whenever all the singular nouns are going to occur apart from I, then these changes are required. How? He, she, it, before that has been plus ing to the main verb, and for before plural pronouns or plural nouns, we, you, they, these, those, plus have been plus ing to the main verb. So these are the changes, or these are the things are required in the present perfect continuous tense. So guys, the incomplete part that I have completed in my previous video, we have seen this four forms of the present tense, that the simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and in this present video, just I have focused on the present perfect continuous. So with this, I will come in next video with new topic of the tense only, that is the future tense and future tense four forms. Till then, goodbye. Please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, The Knowledge Park, and please like it. If you have any problem regarding my teaching, or if you have any problem regarding the topic which is purely related to the English grammar, so please give me or write in comment box, so that your one suggestion can improve my confidence, and I will present before you one after another such type of the I will present before you one after another such type of the tense, and as well as how to be used in present, how to be used in present days, that is how to be spoken in English. Goodbye. Have a nice day ahead.